Hey friends, today we'll see how to make a chocolate cake in a microwave oven because not every one of us have a baking oven, right? This recipe I learned from my friend long time back, so I would like to thank that girl for making my job a lot more easier. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. First, in a mixing bowl, add 150 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Don't worry about the names, both are just the same. We'll add 100 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 room temperature eggs, and we'll mix it well. In a separate mixing bowl, let's sieve 100 grams of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add the dry mixtures in batches into the wet mixture and beat it. Now we'll cut and fold the mixture. Do not overmix. If the mixture is thick, we'll add up to 1/3 cup of milk, add a little splash of the milk and mix it. Check if it's easily dropping off the spatula. If it's not, then keep repeating until you finish the 1/3 cup of milk. We'll transfer the cake batter into a butter greased cake tin. Make sure it is microwave safe. Microwave it for about 5 minutes. Test it if it has baked well by poking the cake. If it's clean, it's perfectly done. If you liked watching the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.